What's up with the Locked In fam? Welcome back to another episode of Locked In with Trey, and today marks week 6 of doing this Minoxidil beard growth, you know what I'm saying? So let's go and get into it and let me show y'all these results, you know what I'm saying? This is what your boy looking like so far. Slow and steady, you know what I'm saying? The results are coming in. Can't be mad, you know what I mean? The results are coming in. Here's the mustache. All this is growing in, you know what I'm saying? The connectors, all this. Mustache is getting bushy. Don't mind my lips are pink and red because I just had a snow cone, so that's why, if you're wondering. And my face is ashy because a few hours ago I put on Minoxidil, so you know what I'm saying. Going through the process, not missing a day, doing what I gotta do with the biotin, the collagen, the derma rolling, all of that in the beard oil, you know what I'm saying? So your boy's on top of it. Week 6, these are my results, you know what I'm saying? And I'm happy about the outcome. Now, I got this bottle of water right here. I'm about to spray it on my face so y'all can really see the vellus hairs that's coming in. That's way different than I've ever had. I've never had any hair in these spots on my cheeks. You know what I'm saying? Never had that. I had a little bit of sideburn action, but I never had all of this and all under the neck that's growing. Never had that. My connectors are getting thicker, starting to actually connect. Hey, I can't complain, but let me put this water on my face and I'm gonna show y'all the real results, you know what I'm saying? So hold on real quick. Okay, now fam, I wet my face, pause. No, we ain't playing like that. I wet my face, you know what I'm saying? And y'all can really see the vellus hairs a little bit more when I wipe it down. Y'all see that? That wasn't there. You know what I'm saying? Week 6, and I'm starting to see some beard action on both sides. Check that out. Crazy, right? Minoxidil work. It is working for your boy. Ha! They're giving me those Valencios, those Balenciagos, you know what I'm saying? The vellus hair is coming in for sure. And I am happy. And for those of you who did not know that you can wet your face to see the progress a little bit better, you're welcome. You know what I mean? I seen that on another video of somebody doing it, and I was like, let me give this a try. And when I did it, to my surprise, the progress was there, you know what I mean? So salute to you. I forgot who the man's name was, you know what I'm saying? But hey, salute to you and anybody else who's showing people how to grow their beard and showing them how to see their progress when it's not much there, you know what I mean? But your boy is progressing. I've since added to my beard products, you know what I mean? But not necessarily for my beard, but my face in general, but it helps with the beard too. I've started my skincare routine, you know what I'm saying? Don't get me wrong, I wash my face, but I wasn't just, you know, diligent and committed to keeping my face clean, you know what I'm saying, like I should. So I started my skincare process, and I got that Clean and Clear brand from Walmart, or you can probably get it at Target. I don't know if it's exclusive to Walmart, or I'm sure they got this everywhere else. Clean and Clear is a popular brand. So anyway, I got the morning burst for the morning time, you know what I mean? So that comes in handy, you know. And then I have the nighttime Clean and Clear for nighttime relaxation or whatever. This is just to keep my face clean on the daily. And then I have my exfoliation for, you know, removing dirt completely. This one has all the, you know, the texture, rocky, grindy feeling, you know what I mean? It feel like sand on there, you know. That way you making sure you're really cleaning your face. So this is the apricot medicated, you know what I'm saying, cleanser. So go pick you up some of this. I'm sure the store has other choices other than this apricot. I'm sure they got other fruits and flavors and all that stuff. Just don't eat it, you know what I mean? Let your face eat it. That's what I'm saying, without using your mouth. Anyway, fam, that's pretty much it, you know what I'm saying? Those are my results. The vellus hairs are coming in on the cheeks. That's the one spot I was concerned about growing. I was like, man, if I can get my cheeks to grow, then everything else is gonna take care of itself, because, you know, the mustache is good, the goatee is good, you know what I'm saying? I'm straight. I just needed this to connect and then to start seeing some growth on the cheeks. And now that I'm seeing it, I know that Minoxidil works. So if you're curious, or, you know, a spectator, you know what I'm saying, look, it works. Just trust me on that. It works. I'm still in the beginning stages, and I'm already seeing progress 6 weeks in. So around my 2-month mark, 4-month mark, hey, no telling, your boy could have a little shadow going on, but we'll see. But anyways, I guess I can give y'all one more close up, and then I'm gonna get up out of here, cuz. So here it is. all under the neck, what the hairs look like. And like I said, if you see ashiness, it's because the minoxidil is dry, and it's time for me to really wash my face and, you know, start the process all over again. But yeah, vellus hairs is all on the face right there, on this side. Yep. Neck, mustache. Got vellus hairs right here too. So it is what it is, you know what I mean? But anyways, fam, let me know down below what else y'all want to see as it pertains to beard. If you want to know how I apply minoxidil, you know, my skincare routine, all that stuff, you know what I mean? I'm new to this. This is very new to the channel, you know what I'm saying? I've done other journeys, and I'm very thankful that y'all continue to rock with me no matter what I do, no matter what the journey. Your boy's almost at 1K subscribers, so hey, go on and get your boy there. I'm 3 away, you know what I'm saying? By the time you see this video, I could be there. Who knows? We'll see. I don't know. But if you look down there and you see I haven't hit 1K yet, hey, do your boy a favor, hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell. That way you stay updated on every post. At the moment I post it, it's at your door like Amazon or I don't know if I should say Amazon because they've been falling off a little bit, but you get what I'm saying. But anyways, fam, it's your boy Trey Smith, bringing you love, peace, and prosperity forevermore throughout your life. Don't you forget it, and I'll see you guys on the next video. All right, peace.